Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn how we can add Metafield list in the product cart. So for that, first of all, we toggle it on. So you can't see any Metafield list here. So we need to make Metafield list. So it will be the combination of image and text. For that, we need to create meta object first. So we need to go to the settings, go to the Metafields in Meta Objects. So you need to add a definition. For example, I will put this and I have to change this and I have to go back here and toggle it down. So you can see the Metafield list text. So I have to copy exact this one. So this is the namespace and key. So always remember you just have to use the exact namespace and the key to show the meta fields. Otherwise, it won't gonna work. So I have to copy it and I will paste it here. So this is the type. For here, I will go with the image, and here I will choose the image file and add another one. This will going to be the text. In here it will going to be single line text, right? So I will save it. All right, let's go to the meta field now and add a definition here. So bundle product contents. So this is the namespace and the key you can see here. So for that we have to use exact this one. We have to change it, and then there's a space here, right? So always make sure you use the exact namespace and the key here. Otherwise your meta field won't gonna work. Again, you need to use the exact namespace and the key here so that your meta field work properly, right? So it comes down here, we need to select the list and come here. We need to reference the meta object exactly this we created, right? And we have to save it. Now let's check if the meta field is created. So let's go to the product. Just come down, you can see the bundle product content is here. We can add the value from here, add new entry. So we can select an image. For example, I will choose this image. For example, best for men. Let's save it and come down, add new entry, choose an image, write text, and save it, and save it from here as well. Now let's come here. It will show here. So for that, I have to refresh it, and let's wait. So you can see here, best for men, girls more favorite. So the it's already created. Metafield list has been created. Let's go back here. We need to refresh it to see the data here. Now you can see the Metafield product list is in the customizer also. So let's style the Metafield list. So let's come here. You can align it on center or left or right. It's up to you. And let's come down and see. You can see the, you can style the display. You can do it stake style, inner take. You can do it icon grid. You can do it multiple style. If I know, just leave it edit is text color. You can choose it accordingly. And separated line, if you want to add separated line, you can go with here. Let's come down further. So we can change the font size from here. We can change the font weight from here. Margin bottom. uh, You can also change the image size. You can see here, it's cool, and the item gaps as well. So this is all it from for the Metafield list. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.